Yo! Good morning, everyone. I didn't realize it was already past the time. Here we go. All right. Well, this is Sideways Action. And we're just on the 15-minute chart. We're inside of just nothing. So what do we do? Well, we wait. Thank you. Yeah, that, all the Sunday ones, the topic is we're going to shift the topic from not just a weekly topic, but to what did I learn this week? Even though I've been doing this for 27, 28 years, what did I learn this week, right? Because it's amazing how it goes back to the same thing again and again and again and again, no matter how long we've been doing this. We'll see how many comments we get. Wink, wink, wink. All right. Let's get busy, people. All right. So here's the hard part about last week and this week. Ready? Waiting. I'm waiting. Don't forget to hit that like button, guys. Don't forget Apex 90% off. Use the code SAGEFT at checkout. Click the links that we have provided for you. Also, TPT. Once you get funded, right? Once you're in their sim funded, you can get daily payouts. Use the code SAGEFT at checkout or use our link. TPT is for me second on the list to Apex. I don't have any problems with Apex because I follow the rules. I have someone that explains the rules exactly to me how they should be, how I perceive them, or how I need to perceive them, right? Which is Elijah. I have him explain it. I have him do a bunch of work. We've got a spreadsheet that keeps us in line with what we're doing there. And if we follow the rules correctly, everything works just fine. Now, are the rules stringent? The answer is yes. Wouldn't you want them to be? They're actually very liberal, guys. The rules are very liberal. They're just not what you would, I mean, people don't understand why you'd impose rules on your traders. Well, don't you have rules in your kids? Doesn't mean they're bad kids. It means they have rules. 0350 is our over-under here. 0075 is our V Pockleton. That was our target for the long. 0350 is the target for the 5-minute long. Hell is worth all that. Natural habitat. Just a rhyme without a reason. Looking at the larger time frames, we are inside the narrowest range of the last 7 trading days. So with this really cool indicator that is automatic, when we go outside of narrow range, you're going to see these Keltner channels turn off. Okay. 22 minutes to the opening bell. I'm green. Now, that account yesterday, Friday, where it went straight through the target and wouldn't have let me close it, where I got over the 6,000. Okay, they met us in the middle, and they put us at the plus 3,500 for the day. Now, I don't know what the drawdown was. Actually, I can look right now. Let's do this together. I haven't looked at it yet. So 78. Oh, they gave me, Elijah, look at that. They gave me full drawdown. Ha. We crushed it. We did that in 2 trades. In process. Now, this 00180, I almost had it passed, and it came back down a little bit. So we're plus 3,200 in that one, 3,100. So they gave the full drawdown back to us on that one. Good, because that's it should have been passed, but that's okay. Should have been, would have been, could have been, wasn't. And that was during the glitch on Friday. Morning, everybody. Don't forget to hit that like button. Don't forget to hit the like button. Make sure you're subscribed. Turn notification bells on so you know when we're popping out information here. Don't forget to watch the review and rev up on Sundays night. All right, one thing that I found works very, very well on the 10 range chart, on the 10 range, okay, is wait for the paint bars to go into position 1 only. Let me give you the example. Look at the difference between these two right here. In the direct relation to this, and this. Okay? So let's do an example. What about this one? No. Okay, what about this one? It would tell you to stop shorting. Okay. What about this one? No. What about this one? It tells you you better not add to your long. But no. Let's go. What about this one? Is that a sell? Go ahead and fix it on that computer if you want, Elijah. Go ahead. I'm not going to touch that mouse for a minute. Is that a sell? That's a tough one. That, Martin, if you play that back, it is, and let me tell you why. Because we're looking at it in hindsight. What color do you think that 20 goes when that thing flips? Let me see if it'll do it. Let me see if it'll do it. Okay, see it? This is the tricky part about looking back at stuff. Martin, you see that? Mwah. Mwah. So you'd hit the button right there. Let's draw it, and before we move it, let's draw it and see if we're right. This is really important, actually. This is one of the more important things you're going to learn this week. And I'm not just talking to Martin. I'm talking to all of you. Martin's the one participating. Okay, here we go. So we're short at 1675 in our mythological world here, right? Ready? Our stop is 2275, and we're going to see what we get. And we're going to ride it because it's our first one, right, Martin? We're going to take base hit first. Okay, we've added. We've swept the leg complete, correct. First target. Second target. Third target. Fourth target. Bang! Now, let's do it in, watch this, watch this. Let's start over. This is really important. And I know Martin's paying attention, so we're going to keep talking to Martin. Who else is paying attention? Who else is trying to get the damn thing off the screen? Okay. Is this one a sell signal? If we're talking about exactly what I just said, right? This over here. No. Okay. Now, here's one. Here's a pop quiz, asshole. Is this a buy signal? Oh, Martin. That's a tricky one. What do we wait for? What do we wait for, Martin? Where it actually fires is where? I know you see it. Boop. That's the buy signal. 3 points every time. I see red. Bang. Now, could you have started the position there? Yes. But it is out of order. So you'd be light. You'd go heavy, Mr. Martinio. You'd go heavy there. Depending on what the 5 and the 15 are doing. Now, remember, we're just looking at one thing. Now, this is going to keep us out of a lot of these, right? Because now, watch. This is what it looked like on Thursday and Friday. Watch. Okay, now watch. Now it looks like, hey, if I just take all of these somewhere, somehow, missile command will come into play. Wrong. Let's bring those back in. Let's look. This is what I studied all weekend long. Folks, I was at the charts. I don't know what everybody else was doing. So if you weren't at the charts, I was, I'm going to eat your fucking lunch. Look at the 1,600 contracts that have traded at 05, folks. You got a live tape read going on at 05. So if you're looking for like a counter trend to get back to the 200, cool. I get it. But you better be a badass trader. Okay? Because look, this one's tough. This one's scary. See, this is chop. This is no good. Even though it looks like it wins, no good. Even if I took it, no good. No good. No. Look at that. No. 9. Niet. Look at how much noise it removes. Oh, yeah. I think we could code this even better. I do believe. I believe we can code it better. We being not me. We being not me, knowing anything about coding, I think we can code this better. I'm kidding. I'm kidding. This is contextual. See how it keeps the noise out? Look at this. The computer has not been programmed to keep to shine brighter, right? So let's be the control of the voltage or the wattage, please. Like look right here. Even if this wins, is that really a trade? 9. Niet. I do believe I took it yesterday. Wait, no, Give me fuel. This is an exit signal. Give me fire. That's a short into the VWAP. What is this called? This would be a 20 SMA halt, right? This right here would be a 20 SMA halt. Confirming this, right? Confirming this. This is not a constata, right? Because what is it? What's that doing? Think about how many people get smoked right there. That's from Hogan's Heroes, Martin. I know nothing. Okay, we have a 53% buy delta percentage. I know nothing. All right, we have on this 2-minute bar, so we need to lock in. Hey, listen, everybody, it's mandatory Metallica Monday. I hope you're locked in and rocking in. Locked in and rocking out. Oh, snap. I hope you're rocking out and locked in. We about to lock in. Elijah, apparently to turn lock in on is edit message on WhatsApp. Right. I wonder if Stream Deck has some sort of fix for that. Okay, we got 9 minutes and 45 seconds till the opening bell, folks. You acted like a maniac. Whiplash. 2 more days till Pops' birthday, everybody. I want to remind everyone, 2 more days till Pops' birthday. He will be the big 8-0. Oh, everybody, you can now trade perpetuals on Coinbase. Let me get you my link. Bear with me, I'll get that. But you can now trade. You can now trade perpetuals legally in the United States through Coinbase. Let me get you the link. I'll put it in the Discord so YouTube doesn't smack it. We both get paid if you use my link. You can now trade perpetuals on Coinbase legally in the United States, everybody. Let me get you the link. Give me 1 second. Whiplash! I'm going to put it in the Discord. If you don't know that we have the Discord, let me get you the link to the Discord. Here's the link to the Discord. It's time to hit the road. Criminals. Okay, here we go. What do they do with 05 is my question of the day. Because I have 05 marked on my 15-minute chart, and it is the high volume node by a mile. Let's take a look. And I'm going to take a look. Look. Oh, yep. Hey. Hey. All right, so now, what is this called? Hello? What just happened? Guys, I learned this weekend. I actually learned the name of what it actually is. What's it called? Andy? Mr. Zheng? Guys, this is a big deal, actually. If we go down below here, right? If we go to the VA... What is this right here? Oh, that's the volume profile. Okay, okay. If we make it down below this previous bar, on this bar here, we're going to have the, isn't it called is it called an imbalance? No. It starts with an I. What is it, guys? I'm going to look at my phone. I'm going to cheat. It's called displacement, ladies and gentlemen. If we get a big bar that goes down through here, that closes down here, this would be called displacement, right? Inversion fair value gap, that would get displaced, correct? Because I've got the displacement level drawn, right? Above 0525, which then you bring this over here. Look at this. Look, 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 look. They just smacked it. Okay, so now that's the over-under major. Where, oh where, oh where is my center line? Rectangle, auto scale. Yes, there she be. Okay, so here's the over-under. Looking at the 15-minute chisel snart. The top of the fair value gap and support. What you have put others through. All right, they're pushing. Let's get back to pushing. How are you guys liking the auto draw targets and stops? And how are you liking to where it tells you when there's an alert when it's painting? Are you guys liking that or what? I am loving it. Martin, is there any way that somehow we can still have a faint outline of the paint bar before it's targets and stops? Because remember, I'm layering, or what they call pyramiding, when it's trending, right? But and so when that prior one or the prior two disappear, it makes it really hard to keep those stops and targets correct.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
Guys,
Order
trade
filled.
it's fucked again.
Order filled.
Hopefully it doesn't screw me.
Order canceled. Order filled.
Uh, Elijah, can you get on? Can you get on with these guys and ask them if this is going to be a repeat of whatever that was, 2000, whatever? Because this is the same thing. This is bad, 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 bad. You guys know that you're going to miss this whole move. Okay, and then Tradeovate's going to come back online, and you're going to start putting orders in, and you're going to get fucked. I'm just telling you that, right? I'm telling you what's going to happen. I'm telling you what's going to happen. Okay. Copy that. Yeah, I'm going to miss this whole move because here's what it's going to do. You're going to think you're entering at 26. It's going to wait 30 seconds. It's going to enter you at 2020. Okay, and then it's going to go to 14 and it's going to exit you. That's what's actually going to happen. Yeah, this is embarrassing. Luckily, I can recognize it. I was able to make about 1.5 points on it. How stupid. Unlimited risk. And the thing is, you can't test it because it could be at that price by the time it comes back online. Let's say you're testing it like 50 points away, right? Like you're going down to like 68, 70, and you're putting a buy order in there.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Keep. They should at least be a faint color because we have to be able to tell them apart, Martin, if that makes sense. So we should have some sort of different color on it. Look at these blue bars, folks. Where's Niall? Yeah, what if we can get it for 17.75 and get rid of it for 30? The problem with the cup and handle is your right side of the cup is not high enough because this is supposed to push through here. Right? You're inside the cup and handle is still inside. Stay Just stay. Dark of night. Oh, there's no sun shining through. There's no sun shining. Mm.
Order filled. Order submitted.
$33.75.
Order submitted.
Does it have to draw back into that pink box? There was absolutely a giggity on that one. No pun intended. Hello. Hello. Yes, it will have to draw back into the pink box. Sorry. Sorry. Nailed it. Me, what I've done. That was a giggity. That was an unintentional gig get. Yes, now I see it. What I felt, what I've known. Behind the door, should I open it for you? Okay, 2 minute has an 1825 ad. 5 minute has an 1825 ad.
Yellow bar alert.
Looks like we're going to get an 1825. Don't you one tick me. Fill me.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Uh-oh. This one's going to get smacked. Yeah, I knew not to fucking do that. Yeah, that was fucking stupid.
Order submitted.
That was so obvious of a stop out. That was dumb.
Order filled. Order submitted.
It's kind of a joke. Like, yeah, that's the trade that loses every fucking day. I'm in my eval. Not any of them that are anywhere near passing. It's a brand new one. I'm light. I don't think my stop's in the right place. And Tradevate is fucked. So they'll probably squash any trades that are happening this morning. I don't know if Tradevate is gonna. I don't know. I don't know what we're gonna do here. All right, we have a leg sweep on the 5 minute. This is beautiful, folks. Okay, 0625 was the ad. Did I add there? No, I did not. Damn it. I was not paying attention.
Order submitted.
Dun, 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 dun. There's the Adderton at the V. Wappleton, V. Pockleton. Let's see if they take it above or below. They sold it.
Order submitted.
Watching 10. Watching 10. It's getting jumpy, folks. I like it. Go. Go, little 10 that could. If we get above 10, yep, here we go. Decision point, 10 out from 575. EVA Desca. All sinners, a future. All saints, a past. Oh, they're wrecking this thing. Decision point right above 12s, 13s. This is interesting. This is that 945 looked like some news came out, but not the way they wanted it to. They being the buyers or the sellers. Ooh, the tape's getting fast. Five's over under by tape from before the market opened. Remember that. Back at 916, the 916 close bar, he bought 05 1,600 times to start this whole market off. Doesn't that make more sense? That way the white isn't such a contrast. They're leaning. Big tail in your 15-minute. Big reversal. Does it stay that way? Delta is extremely high.
Order filled.
Pink bar alert Revy.
Right at the exact low. You guys better be all in. You better be all in. That's right where it liquidated me. You guys have fun with that. I told you, all in, all in, all in. I can't fucking say it any louder. I can't. There you go. It liquidated me at the lows. There you go. There's 12 fucking points. Awesome. How many of you guys? How many guys just went all in and passed the fucking account in 30 seconds? I couldn't have said it any fucking clearer. Go all in, all in, all in. Oh, I got liquidated. Go all in, go all in, go all in, go all in, go all in. I hope you guys just passed an account on that. Yeah, Tradovate's cooked. It just cooked me at the fucking low, dude.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Hit 9450 target. 9450 target. Let's go. Stops down. First target's 9450. Okay, second target's 8750.
Order submitted.
There we go. One tick, Rick. Let's go. Come on. You just stood there screaming.
Order
Okay,
canceled.
first target. Free trade. Empty can rattles the most. Sound of your own voice must soothe you. What you wanna hear. You. You still stood there screaming. Let's go. Come on, drippy drip. 8750. Let's go. Double time it. Let's go. Chop, chop. We got stuff to do. Come on. You. Misery loves company. Seems to be working okay right now, Davey. That's why I always have the actual Trade-A-Bait open, so you can at least do something. I don't know. Shit. Kind of weird, huh, Bill? Makes you wonder. I mean, because this is the exact same problem, is it not? where it just becomes unresponsive and you get orange letters, orange orders. But mine's working okay right now. All right, so they're trying to hold them at 93. Okay, decision point here. Let's not give all that back. Damn. How do we move our stop though?
Blue bar alert.
$87.50 charge. Wow, they just bought the hell out of that thing. Misery should be on your shoulders. That is a wonky 15 minute. My friend, oh, misery.
Order canceled.
And flat. Oh, I was just trying to enter 92.25. Holy shit. Holy shit. Look at that. Oh, wow.
Order filled.
Pink bar alert Revy.
$20.
Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order, order canceled.
Yellow bar alert.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Or- Order submitted. Order submitted.
Watching 70.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
Okay, we're on the VPOC of the up moves over the last day or two. Since February 18th. We're on the VPOC right now. So if we smash this, here's the deal. If we smash this, it's straight 70s. If this holds, it's going to pop back. I know that sounds cliche, but this is the over-under right here.
Order canceled.
Come on, sell through that.
Order submitted.
'70 is the over-under. Ooh. Did you see that? From 79s to 76s?
Order submitted.
Yellow bar alert.
Order filled. Order submitted.
They're playing games here. Your delta's not moving. Okay, watching the leg sweep become out below 80. It stops down. Ooh, leg sweep out. Leg sweep out.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
Come on, push through that volume node. There's a lot of volume. As you can see, it's creeping along my 15-minute chart here. Look at where it starts. Over here. Break it.
Order submitted. Come on. Break through that pink line right there. Okay, and then you have an outlier on delta at about 66. We don't need 66, though. We only need 70. Come on, let's go. Go ahead. Sorry, I didn't see you. I was just messing with the mouse. Yeah, 67.71 according to Mancini. Here we go. Stops way down. One ticked me so far. One. Well, no, that's not true. One pointed me so far. Stop to 75 court. Stop to 75 court. Uh, 75 3 court. Excuse me. Out. It took me out at 75 quarter. Out. And I probably was. I was trying to move it up. Yeah. That's okay. I'm out completely. 75-25, all out. All out of 4.
Order canceled.
That was too quick. I moved my stop too quick. We see. Time for life. Time for life. Time to kiss your life goodbye. Yeah, you got a 15-minute sell down at the bottom. Oh, man. Let's just get to 70 and be done. Okay, stop to break even +1. Holy shit, look at that. I got the top. Let's just get 70 and be done. Be on our way.
Order filled.
You rat bastards.
Order canceled.
This little 10 range pattern, we can call this like a goat head or something like that. Those little things you step on. Oh, maybe you guys don't have them. I'm in the high desert. We get what's called goat heads from the tumbleweed.
Order submitted.
74.50. Come on, one time. God, I moved my stop just ever so slightly too quickly.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Yeah,
Order
move my
submitted.
stop to break even +1 again.
Canceled.
Come on, get down there. Just go.
Order filled.
Gosh, dang it. Bless America. Where do I take this pale love? Yeah, they like it here. They like it here. I like how I moved my stop down. Thank you. Let's see. Looking at about 69.75 before they get anything going here. And then your VPOC 77s. $70 is a 1R on your 10 range. There you go. I don't know if anyone would have been filled on that. Scanning the scene in the city tonight. Looking for you to start up a fight. 69.75 on your 5-minute 1R. 5-minute 1R. If you held this whole thing, you're crushing it. Running. Onward we hunt.
Order canceled.
Running.
Order filled.
Excuse me. Yeah, good call, guys. Those of you that are not paying attention over in the Discord, Joey is on fire. And whoever else he's talking to, who's Joey talking to? Himself. He's talking to Joe Biden and G-Man.
Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted.
That's the first uptick in the delta. So let's see if they've got them trapped or if they're going to pinch them here at 70. 71.25 to 70. Scanning scene in the city tonight. Looking for you to start up a fight. There's an evil feeling in our brains. Let's see if they dip to 60, 63, 50, 50, 63, 50, and 61. 63, 50, and 61.
Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
I didn't get filled at 70, 50. Anyone get filled? You got 66 target.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Watching 66, 63, 50, and 61s. Tell you what, every time I move that stop down, they sucker it right back up, right? They know.
Order canceled.
70 quarter target. Stop, excuse me. $66.1 target.
Order filled.
Okay.
Order canceled. Order submitted.
350 next target for me.
Order filled.
And all out.
Order canceled.
And all out. 61.50 next. All right, I got filled at 63.50, completed business 43 by 15. So now let's wait. Now let's wait. We're about an hour and 47 minutes, hour and 17 minutes into the session, and man, it's been a wild one. Holy guacamole and tomatoes. I'm gonna step away for a second. I gotta reset my brain. I'll be right back. I am still here. I'll be right back. Let's let this thing reset. Go touch grass. Let's reset our brains. Let's regroup here in about 2 minutes, 3 minutes. Going. Ooh.
Order filled. Order submitted.
At an early age. Forgiveness. He said, sweeped it.
Order canceled.
Gave me your emptiness that I take to my grave. Let this heart. You gave me your emptiness that I take to my grave. Mama, let this heart beat. Hey, T2 is 52.50 if you're still in the 15-minute short. It's perfect, guys. You guys got this. Yeah, I got 'em. Big bid at 50. Mama, let your sun grow. Mama, let your... All right, Tyson. All right, he just sold the farm at 56.
Order submitted.
Free trade. $250 on the 15-minute. 52.50, excuse me. I had Billy D at 45, but that big bid at 50 is gonna trumpet for a hot min.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Yeah, I think he owns him at 56. So let's see if he gets paid or if he gets
Order
absolutely annihilated. And he'll start getting paid at like 60, 65, right? I don't know if my stop's in the right place.
Order filled.
Give me 54. That's okay.
Order submitted.
Transact at 56. So let it be done. And I'm only trading this in an account that's up big time. It's up big. 4,800 right now. 4,500 right now. It's actually supposed to be a short. Ah, that's okay. Yeah, I don't know if my stop's in that spot.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
All right, remember 56 is your over under by tape. And remember, a guy that can buy 1,700 contracts or sell 1,700 contracts at 56 can also buy them at 46. There's a pothole right above us here that they're fighting with. Fault. All right, we'll run the stream for about another 30 minutes here.
Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order canceled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted.
Well, at least I got it in with one contract here. Going for 41, guys and ladies.
Order canceled. Order filled. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled.
Oops, that's the wrong
Order
button.
filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order canceled. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted.
Wow, they did 3750 like that. They did 3750 like that. I think they found their I think they found their Huckleberry, fam. At whatever that number is there, I can't see 39.
Order filled.
30, 25.
Order submitted.
Look at the volume coming in at 41. They're selling. A big gap at 43.75. $37.50 has to break quickly, or we're going to put a stop down. All right, under 15 minute, this box here. So 11.50. So 30 and 12. You got to get in that box first. 68.30 Meridian. 17 minutes left of the stream here. Can we get a lower low here? Low, low. Oh, there's 1,000. There's 1,000 at 33. 1,000 at 33. Wow. That's a big bid. Big bid, bop, 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 big bid, bop, bop, bop. Okay, stops, down. I'm gonna put my stop at like 44.50.
Order submitted. Order submitted.
Big blue bar down there. Look at that. Right at that level. Look at this. Where do we go from here, folks? 12 is my target. I could take 17. That mathematically fits in my portfolio here. So I got 30 and 17. Okay, you have a sell on your 15.2, not on your 15.52. Now, this blue bar, even though we're way far away from it, it just turned everything negative. You see that, Martin? Even though even though that blue bar is way far away from it, do you see what it did to the VWAP and the 200? Even though we're way far away from it, right? So we got to keep track of that kind of thing. Because I mean, it doesn't have to sell through here. It just, you know, this is kind of the spot.
Order filled.
So what all I'm pointing out is this blue moves the VWAP and the 200 in the correct direction, but it's not engulfing it. So this is different. This is separate data, is the way that I see it. We got right into that 35 level, that 34, that box. So now first touches, they rejected it. All right, so now, do we come back to it or not?
Order, order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
They gave me a terrible fill. 50.
Order submitted.
50. Wow, that was a bad fill. 47.50 was the entry in that one. That was donkey Manu. Donkey Manu. I like 52,
submitted.
Joey.
Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled. Order submitted. Order submitted. Order filled.
All right, leg sweep out. Let's see if they get some 52s and some 53s here. Got to get through a litany of pink tape here, though.
Order filled. Order submitted.
Was that 44.75? I'll take that.
Order submitted.
Oh, did I miss it? 44.50.
Order canceled.
I missed
Order
it.
submitted.
Oh, I missed
Order
it.
canceled.
I missed it. 44.50 was the entry. Nikes.
Order filled.
I missed that 44.50 entry. I didn't put it in immediately following my 47.50. I violated protocol there.
Order canceled.
Question 52 and 53s. They just trapped so many people below 45. Can they hold them? Is what they're asking.
Order filled.
Okay. Down to 2. 53s. Can I get, okay, we called for 52s. Can we get 53s? A 5 minute looks clean all the way to 63.50, right? You're looking at your VA. If you're looking at your VAL and a low volume node underneath, you got some little pocket sitting there. Does it go up there and air it out?
Order filled.
Order filled. We got him.
Order canceled. Order canceled.
$65.
Order submitted.
Had to get through 56. They had to. They had to get through that. Now if you look at there's a pocket on your volume profile. Oh, there it is on the 15 minute. Okay, I can show it over here. Okay, they're heading right to 62.25. So I'm going to put my target at 62.25. Would this be, what's the, what term? Displacement?
Order submitted. Order filled. Order filled. Order submitted. Order canceled.
Okay, watch 60 or the lack of, because it's right there close to that 62 quart, right? And it's just where they can start front running it. You got some VPOCs forming right here though at 57. I think they're going to try to run it into it, and then they can figure out what they're going to do.
Order submitted.
$200 at 7 3/4. All right, it's been a fun stream. I'm super green. Let's move this over to the X stream. I'll see everybody over there. We'll put the link in the chat. We're going to move it over to X. I'll see you there.